Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn high school chemistry. To begin, focus on the foundational concepts. Understanding the periodic table, atomic structure, and chemical bonding is crucial. These elements form the bedrock of all subsequent topics. Spend ample time mastering these basics, perhaps dedicating 20 to 30 minutes daily to review them. A solid start ensures a smoother learning journey throughout the course, building confidence with each new concept. Active practice is absolutely essential for success in chemistry. Don't just read, actively solve problems. Work through at least 5 to 10 practice questions for each new topic. When you encounter difficulties, don't shy away. Instead, view them as opportunities to deepen your understanding. Discussing solutions with classmates or a tutor can also provide new perspectives and clarify complex ideas, reinforcing your learning significantly. Chemistry often involves abstract concepts, so visualization is a powerful tool. Try drawing out molecular structures or reaction pathways. Using physical models or online simulations can bring these invisible processes to life, making them much more tangible. Connecting new information to what you already know helps build a robust mental framework. This approach can transform complex ideas into understandable, interconnected pieces of knowledge, enhancing retention. As exams approach, a structured review plan is key. Regularly revisit your notes and textbook material, perhaps for 15 minutes each day. Take several practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and reduces test anxiety. Identifying your weak areas and focusing extra effort there will yield significant improvements. Remember to get sufficient rest. A well-rested mind performs best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.